Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a high score function in Unreal Engine. This is the 13th tutorial of side scrolling game. So let's start the work. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorial like this. So let's start. First of all, we have to go to the blueprint folder. Right button, blueprint. Now from here, Outlast, I search save game and I will create a save game. I name it side scrolling save game. I think this is the perfect name. You can choose whatever name you prefer. Now save all, open it. Now I will create a variable high score and the variable should be integer. Compile, save. We are done here. Now where is the here is the world setting. uh, Open the game mode. We need few function, we need to create few function here and delete the event teeth, we don't need it. Now add a variable high score. This variable should be integer. Now add event end play. Event end play. Now I need to create two function. One should be save game and one should be load game. Create another one, load game, and go to event graph and add the load game to event begin play and to save game to event end play. No, it's right. Yes, save game to end play because we want to save when we end the game. Now open the save game. Here we will add few function. Create save game object. From here add our save game, side scroller save game. Now add a variable, name it save reference and it should be save game reference. Now add it. Now class to our side scrolling game and set high score from the side scrolling save game and add it at the high score which we created in which we created here. Now add save game to slot. Now we need to add two functions, make it organize like this. Now add it here. Now get the save reference and add with the save game object and create a variable to the slot. Variable name, slot name, I think it's fine. Compile and save and add a slot name here. I'll choose high score. Compile and save. Now go to load game. Here we will search does save game exist and add the slot and add a branch. Now if it's false then add the save game function here, and if it's true, if our save game exists, just add load game from slot. The slot name is the same variable, slot name variable. Add the reference. Now class to our side scrolling save game. Now get the high score and set the high score from game mode, and get the high score from side scrolling game which we created earlier. Edit. Now make it organize. Now from here save game to slot. Now add the reference and slot name. It will basically load our save game when we end play. Now save all. Now go to UMG. We need to create a minute second option here. Now add two text. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Now one should be on top middle and one should be on top right. Now make it middle and make it little below position on y axis 30. Size it to content, and the text should be 50 bit text, and it should be top right. Give the alignment 1. Give some value on x axis like minus 30 or 50, and y position 50. I think this sign is fine. Now add two binding. One binding should be timer and another binding should be high score. It should be get time and it should be get high score. Get high score. Now go to event graph. Now disconnect it. We will create two custom event. Now create a custom event, name it timer, whatever you prefer. Edit. Make this little organized like this. Compile and save. Now add another custom event. Actually time should be not this custom event, it should be damage widget. Create another custom event, name destroy widget. Edit. Now add a sequence on event tick and add the both function like destroy widget and time. Now we need to add two more variable in event construct. First of all, get player character and class to our side scrolling character. Now create a reference and name it player. Now also search get game mode and add our side scrolling game mode and create a reference. The reference name should be game mode. Done. Now compile and save. Now add, what the hell is this? Now add a variable and name it seconds. Now we will add a minute second here on the timer. Get the player, add the branch. Now get health, which we add in our player. Now get the death, watch the spelling. Now get not boolean, not bool, add with the condition. Now if it's true, then add the seconds variable, which should be float, not boolean, on the set. Now also get the seconds variable, add with float, search the plus, float plus float. Now get walt delta second, add it here, add it with the seconds. Now again get the seconds and also get the game mode. Now get the high score, which is integer. We are representing the high score in integer because integer is not any dot number. So if it's higher than the second, if the high score, then it will add it. Now set the high score from the game mode. Set high score and just get the second. Then we are done. You can add it like that, or you can add it separately. I think if I add it separately, it would be more nice. Add it and make it little farther away in this position. Compile and save. Now go to the timer, get the second, not set. Add the time second to string, add with the node. Get the high score, get the game mode, get the high score, just add with the return value. That's all. We're done. Make it organize. Our all functions are done. Now we play and test. Save all. F11 alter P. Now get the gun. Now you see our second is running and our also high score is up because this is the first time. Now if you get the bullet and we will die, you will see that our widget is destroyed because we made the function like that. But for the check-in purpose, I just turn off the destroy function. Event it, destroy widget, just disconnect it for checking purpose. If we play now you can see our high score is 13, which is the time when we die. Now if you stay longer than that, then you will see the high score will rising. Now 14, 15. Now you can see. Now if you go and die, our widget will not destroy and we can see the high score, which is 21. Now if you play again, you can see the 21. So that is for today's tutorial. I think you understand it. Bye bye everybody.